Hey, it's Ben All with Keller Williams Realty, BellaMax Realty Group, and today we are at 1508 Bluebonnet in Carrollton. So this is just an awesome home in a great neighborhood. This is in Moore Farm, so if you're not familiar with Carrollton, this is kind of right in the heart of Carrollton. We're right next to Castle Hill, and Moore Farm is just one of the highest desired neighborhoods in the Carrollton area. So lots of walking trails, community center, just a really fantastic area. This particular home, we are about 3,150 square feet. We've got 4 bedrooms. They're all on the main level. So this is a super unique floor plan in that you've got master plus 3 additional bedrooms, 2.5 baths in the house. And upstairs, the only thing that's there is just an amazing game room and a media room. And bonus for whoever buys the house, there's a pool table and the accessories that go with the pool table, as well as the projector, the screen, the media room furniture, and the sound equipment all stay with this house. So come on in, let's take a look at it and we'll see what you guys think. So as you come in, you can see it's just a really open floor plan, just great flow to the house. You've got a formal dining area immediately as you come in, and then it kind of splits. So off to the right-hand side, you've got 2 bedrooms and a full bath. They're very generous sized bedrooms. And on the left-hand side of the split here is the master suite. So you've got a really large master bedroom, very light and bright. You've got a big bath and a very large closet as well. So all 3 of these are kind of towards the front of the house. And then as you enter into the rest of the house, kind of the kitchen is right at the heart of the property. And it's an open, very functional kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. You'll notice the hardwood floors that go throughout the entire home. The only place that you've got carpet is in the bedrooms, and then upstairs in the media room and the game room. Pay attention to the detail of all the crown molding, all of just the extra added luxury items that have been put into this home. You've just got a very open floor plan. So as you're in the kitchen, you've got great views of the family room, dining area. So just a really functional floor plan. Now the 4th bedroom in the house sits off to kind of the back side of the house. Great for an office. That's how these folks used it, because it's kind of secluded by itself. There is a half bathroom right next to it. And then you've got laundry and 2-car garage. Now this neighborhood is an alleyway neighborhood, so you've got rear entry garages, still a generous backyard, high fence. You've got an 8-foot fence actually in the backyard, so lots of privacy. You can see as we go up the stairs and get there, just a really great family room space here. So you've got pool table, game room area, big media room area, and as I mentioned before, all the equipment and everything that you see stays with the house. So come take a look at it. It's 1508 Bluebonnet here in Carrollton, right in the middle of Moore Farm. So lovely place for you to call home. Give me a call if you have any questions. Ben All, Keller Williams, BellaMax Realty Group, 817-992-1886.